मग टास्क फोर्सनं सांगले की आता आज नाल्या फाल्यां वगैरे येतली आणि टुरिझमाच्या हितून कशें पळयता तुम्ही
तशें व्हडलोसो इफेक्ट जावचो ना टुरिझमाक.
फुडें तरी घात घे मरे.
ते नायट कर्फ्यू जे कितें आसा ते CM पळयतलो अलॉंग विथ टास्क फोर्स दॅट इज हेल्थ मिनिस्टर. आमी तितून कमेंट करूंक जायना. दे आर द एक्सपर्ट कमिटी. एक्सपर्ट कमिटी जे कितें रेकमेंड करता ते जातलें.
मागीर टुरिझम
Sir,
इफेक्ट
coastal belt-
कोस्टल बेल्टाचे MLA म्हणून
तसं ना तें. लायफ इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट दॅन एनिथींग एल्स. अँड फॉर अस पीपल ऑफ गोवा अँड ऑल्सो ट्युरिस्ट आर इम्पॉर्टंट. सो दे वील डू वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड. I am just a layman. I am not a doctor. I cannot comment on this.
ते एक कॅबिनेट एक कसिनोचो एक इश्यू आयला आयज कितें डिफर केला करून
कसिनोचो इश्यू न्हू.
कितें तो
5-star hotel. 5-star hotel in Penne. When Manohar Babu Ajgaonkar brought objections, CM has deferred them.
ओके सर थँक्यू.
सर तुला त्याचा कॉर्डेला
It doesn't come under my jurisdiction. It comes under MPD.
Yeah, but how do you look at it? 200 passengers are inside this vessel and it's offshore, sir.
Around 10
2,000 people are there.
there are 2,000. Around 10 are tested positive or something like that.
Huh.
We have got some news.
Huh.
But cases are increasing in India.
Huh.
But these are cases where I have seen some of my cousins, my relatives have tested positive.
Huh.
After 5 days, they have become all right.
Huh.
But I think doctors and the task force are the best people who will comment on this.
Huh.
And as a layman, we have to follow the protocol what they are giving us.
But what will happen to these passengers who are there inside this vessel? Cordilla vessel, sir. There are 2,000 passengers inside this vessel.
No, there is nothing wrong. What has happened?
They are inside, na? It's offshore, sir. They all are
They
offshore.
are going back to Mumbai, I think. Nothing wrong.
No.
शिवोली सर प्रचार चालू केला बरे रिस्पॉन्स मिळता कितें सांगता परत एकदा
सी शिवोलकारांक जर दिलायला मायकेल लोबो जिखलेले जाय जाल्यार जिखतले ते शिवोलकार आणि अंजुना वागातोर शापोरा आसागांव आणि वेल्ला काणकोण हे नागरीक डिसायड करतात फुडलो आमदार कोण आसता.
कॉन्टेस्ट करतले काँग्रेस BJP
सद्याक ते इंडिपेंडंट म्हणून सांगता मागीर डिसायड करतले तेणे डिसायड करप. शी हॅज गॉट हर ओन मायंड. शी इज सरपंच फॉर द last 10 years and 5 years as a panchayat member. She's got enough experience in her credit to decide what is right for her.
कोस्टल बेल्टान सर ह्या दिसान गुन्हेगारी चड वाडला अशें दिसता.
पुलिसांनी धरले तांकां जे कोण मोबायल चोरताले तांकां धरले.
on 31st there all the beach has been messed by the tourists. How you look at
Every year
it?
it happens. It happens every year and then we clean it next year.
ओके थँक्यू.
Sir, increase